Alright y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick update video on why I haven't been uploading the past 5 days. Pretty much it's because I got my new chin mount for my new helmet that I've been waiting on for like 3 months, and I also ordered a new microphone, a giant squid microphone. Heard a lot of good recommendations about that, so it'll definitely give me some better audio quality, which is what I've been looking for, because not being able to ride on like 55 mile roads with the GoPro rolling kind of sucks, because all I would get is like a bunch of crackling and pops and stuff. But with this new chin mount, I'll be able to obviously I have the GoPro in my hands, but I'm actually now able to use my media mod, so I'll have it hooked up there and then the wire going in there into the helmet. With the other helmet I had, it's a good helmet, but the you can't use the media mod on it because I have a 90-degree swing arm to mount it on, and then with the swing arm you can't use the media mod, unfortunately. So yeah, and then the other mic I was using was like a $10 one off of Amazon, but this new mic I got coming in should be coming in between like August 3rd and August 8th, so hopefully August 3rd. It's definitely a lot better quality. It's the same one Blockhead uses, so I actually watched his video and then he recommended it, so that's good. What else? That's pretty much it for the update. It's because I'm waiting on the mic, so thanks.